Okay, so this makeup look is what I like to call a real life filter. Think about soft glam lit from within skin and eyes that are just the right amount of smoky and sexy. Starting with the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. This is truly my skin's bestie. It's super hydrating, makeup holding, and gives you that super smooth blush base. For coverage, I'm going ahead with the Smashbox Halo Glow Tinted Moisturizer. It gives me enough tint to even things out, and the glow it leaves, it's absolutely unreal. Brightening up with Armani Luminous Silk Concealer in shade 5.5. It's creamy, weightless, and it blends like a dream. I press it in with a sponge for that skin-like finish. To sculpt, it's the classic Benefit Hoola bronzer. Gives my face that natural warmth with a seamless, skin-like glow. And then with the blush, I'm going ahead with Armani Luminous Silk in shade 51. This muted rose nude gives you that natural flush with zero effort. For brows, I'm using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. It's soft, hair-like strokes and a quick brush through. It's truly effortless. On the eyes, I'm using the M.A.C Connect and Color Palette. Blending a soft matte brown in the crease, shimmer on the lid, and tightlining with the Clarins waterproof pencil. Then smudge the outer corners for that barely there smoke. Locking it in with the M.A.C Fix Plus in Rosé. Then layer on Shiseido Inner Glow Highlighter and Solar Haze for a light-catching candlelit finish. Lashes are curled and coated with the Clinique High Impact Mascara. It lifts, lengthens, and holds the curl all day long. And now I have lined my lips with the LoveChild Masaba in Bougie AF and filled in with the M.A.C Velvet Teddy, the perfect muted nude. And there you have it. It's fresh, glowy, and polished. If you loved this makeup look as much as I did, hit like, drop your favorite glow product in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!